Alright, I've been working on solving this Rubik's Cube for the last couple months, and it's kind of beat up. That sticker peeling off, not because I was trying to cheat or anything, but because some people have said that, I'm trying to mix it up even more, said that I've been cheating and not really doing it and just showing pictures on Instagram that didn't really mean anything. So I thought I would solve it and do this. So it might not be my best time, but I'm just going to get it done. So let me make sure it's mixed up pretty good. And I guess that looks pretty mixed up. All right. And the green's lined up already. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. There we go. All right, the green. Let's see. So it looks pretty mixed up. And we will start it. Let's see, you gotta get these. Trick is to get the white. Okay, I've learned this. Let's see. Alright. Okay, then we gotta get the corners. And these are all things that you can learn online. Just did a search and found the tricks of how to do it and the algorithms and how to do the patterns. So nowhere near as good as my son is. That's okay. Proud of him. There we go. I'm gonna stop talking when I'm doing this. About a minute and a half. And let's see, I think. Let's see. I am nowhere near world record time or anything, but I'm just happy that I learned to be able to do it. This is going to be about 2.5 minutes. There we go. Just under 2.5 minutes, looks like. So that's it. You can do it yourself too.